Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashish Shrivastava, and today I'm going to deliver a lecture on organometallic compound. So, organometallic compound, organometallic compound. In short, these are called OGM compounds. So, today's topic is organometallic compound or OGM compound. In this topic, I will cover definition of organometallic compound. Then I will cover Grignard reagent. It is the main example of organometallic compound, that is Grignard reagent. And then I will cover application of Grignard reagent. So this three things I will cover: definition of organometallic compound, then Grignard reagent, then application of Grignard reagent. So now what are organometallic compound like OGM compound? OGM compounds are in which metal is directly attached with the carbon. So what are organometallic compounds? Organometallic compounds are the organic compounds in which metal is directly attached with carbon. Like this is carbon or not in this is lithium. So carbon is directly attached with lithium. So this compound is organometallic compound. Like CS3, MgBr. This is Grignard reagent, and I will explain in detail about Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent is also the example of organometallic compound because in this magnesium is directly attached with the carbon. That's why it is also an organometallic compound. So next is this is also an organometallic compound because zinc is directly attached with the carbon. This is Franklin reagent. Now, one more example of organometallic is this. This is this is Gilbert reagent. This is Gilbert reagent. This is also an organometallic compound because metal is directly attached with the carbon. This metal is uh, this is a metal and this is alkaline earth metal. This is alkali metal and this is transition metal. So these metals are directly attached with the carbon. That's why these are called organometallic compound. I have one more example. Tetraethyl lead. This is tetraethyl lead. This is also organometallic compound because carbon is directly attached with the metal. So these are the examples of organometallic compound in which carbon is directly attached with the metal. So now let's start with the Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent are the good source of carbon ion, or OGM compounds are also a good source of carbon ion because it is directly attached with the metal, and in this way the bond cleavage takes place. So R minus Mg plus X. So this is the pattern of OGM compound for the cleavage of bond. So this is carbon ion. So in every Grignard reagent, every organometallic compound, it always gives carbon ion. So carbon ion are the good source of organometallic compound, and carbon ion given by organometallic compound because metal is directly attached with the carbon. So what is the preparation? Preparation of Grignard reagent. When alkyl halide, this is alkyl halide, treated with magnesium in presence of ether, it will form RMgX. This is Grignard reagent. So we can check if we will add CS3Br, react with magnesium in presence of ether, we will get CS3MgBr. So in this way, these are the preparation of Grignard reagent. Now, moving towards application of Grignard reagent. Application. The first application is preparation of alkane. Preparation of alkane. With the help of Grignard reagent, we can prepare alkane. So how? This is RMgX. As I already told that RMgX, the bond cleavage pattern is like this: R minus Mg plus X. So alkane is RH. So if you any compound having H plus ion will react with Grignard reagent, will give alkane. Like if RMgX react with water, So as we know in water, H plus ion, OH minus ions are there. So R minus, Mg plus, and in this we will get H plus and OH minus. So H plus will move R minus. So we will get RH, that is alkane, and Mg X OH. So this is how we can get alkane. Now we can take another example like CH3 MgBr plus water. This on reaction will give methane. Water will give H plus ion and OH minus ion. H plus ion reaches to CH3 minus and we will get methane plus MgBr OH. So in this way we can prepare alkane. Now second method is preparation of alcohol. The second application is preparation of alcohol. We can prepare alcohol with the help of Grignard reagent. We can prepare primary alcohol. We can prepare secondary alcohol. We can prepare tertiary alcohol. All these alcohol can be prepared by Grignard reagent. So the first is preparation of primary alcohol. When Grignard reagent treated with formaldehyde, Grignard reagent treated with formaldehyde followed by hydrolysis, it will give primary alcohol. Grignard reagent treated with formaldehyde followed by hydrolysis, it will give primary alcohol. Now, what is the mechanism of this primary alcohol formation? So, this is Grignard reagent ReagX. In this, we know formation of carbon ion takes place, and this carbon ion attack on carbonyl carbon of formaldehyde. This R minus moves towards C plus of carbonyl carbon, and in this way, an Mg plus move towards O minus. We will get O Mg X and followed by hydrolysis H plus OH minus. We will get R CH2 OH. So this is how we can prepare